the ultimate guide to scoring designer clothes in 2025 without going broke. Let's be real for a second. We all want to look expensive and feel powerful. But designer price tags can be shocking. Here's the tea. You don't need to be rich to dress like you are. Before diving into hacks, let's discuss why designer fashion matters in 2025. People are done with fast fashion that falls apart. Designer fashion equals longevity. It's crafted, not mass-produced. Wearing designer boosts your confidence. You're investing in an experience, not just a name. You don't need to visit a Chanel boutique to own designer. Platforms like The Real and Vestiaire Collective offer authenticated pieces at up to 80% off. Use safe search alerts and negotiate with sellers. Always check seller ratings and return policies. Start selling your items to fund your designer wish list. Sample sales are no longer exclusive to NYC insiders. Platforms like 260 Sample Sale let you shop from home. Brands offload overstock at up to 90% off. Sign up for early access lists. Know your measurements and be decisive. Use apps like Karma to track pieces across retailers. Outlets in 2025 offer core designer inventory and past runway looks. Check Saks Off Fifth and Nordstrom Rack. Watch for made-for-outlet lines. True past season items match retail SKU codes. Spot the difference by checking interior labels. Use browser extensions and apps to stack savings. Rakuten offers cashback. Honey finds coupons. Karma alerts you to sales. Retail Me Not provides coupons and rebates. Stack them for maximum savings. Fashion and financial literacy go hand in hand. It's not just what you buy, but when. Retailers have predictable sales cycles. January and July offer end-of-season markdowns. March is mid-season sales. November is Black Friday. Sign up for flash sale alerts from the Outnet and Sense. Stop chasing microtrends. Build a timeless wardrobe. Focus on a tailored blazer, classic trench coat, and little black dress. Invest in a neutral designer handbag and leather ankle boots. These pieces are smart investments you'll wear for years. Fashion in 2025 is about doing good. Buy secondhand and shop smarter. Reduce landfill waste and support circular fashion. Designer fashion is now a symbol of conscious luxury. It's not about excess, but about making thoughtful choices. You don't need wealth to look like you belong at Fashion Week. Be strategic, stylish, and savvy. Start small and track what you want. When the perfect deal hits, grab it. Luxury is about how you wear it. Stay stylish and smart.